Hey everyone, so my name's Courtney and today I'm going to show you how I got this wavy hair. It's actually my first time in a while at least, time doing a natural wave to my hair, trying to see if I have any sort of curl pattern. I know my hair is not curly, but I have a suspicion, tell me if I'm right, that it's wavy. So if you want to see how I got this and my experimentation process, then just keep watching this video. Thanks. Okay, voiceover Courtney here. I just wanted to really quickly show you a before I washed my hair. This is a kind of poofy fourth day, third day hair. I did shampoo and condition my hair with the Briogeo. It's the green shampoo and conditioner. I will link it in the description below. I'll link all the products in the description below. But I started off by just re-wetting my hair a little bit. I used the hair towel that you could see in the background actually in a few minutes. And then I applied some of this leave-in conditioner from Briogeo that I use all the time anyway. And I'm just scrunching that in a little bit. I'm new to this process, forgive me. Then I'm going in with this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk gel. Later I believe that I state that something else gave me a crunchy cast to my hair. I actually think that it's this. So I will not be using this product again, and I haven't since, and I've had a little bit better results than you see in this video. But I'm just scrunching that into my hair all over and wiping it off on the towel. And then the next step that I am doing is pulling out my bangs because my bangs are not long enough to have curly bangs right now, and I like having my bangs down. So I'm just pulling those straight with my hairbrush, and I will go through and dry them in a moment. But yeah, I actually was able to borrow these products from my best friend. She has coily curly hair, so she kindly let me borrow these products to try out. Thank you, Sydney. The second thing I'm going in with is this Curlsmith gel souffle stuff. This is actually really, really great. I've used it several times since, and on its own, it is really, really nice. So I am really excited to be able to use this again. And I actually think this is what gave my hair any of the waviness that you see at the end results in this video. But I'm just scrunching it into my hair, and I'm kind of doing like a pulsing motion. I really hate the way that feels on my hands, but I guess I better get used to it. But I'm just kind of doing a pulsing motion up against my scalp because they say that helps with the frizz. And like I said, I'm just going to blow dry my bangs. I always blow dry my bangs like this. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, and I'm not sure how well this is going to mess with the curly parts of my hair, but I will keep experimenting. So at this point, I'm pretty sure that I have most of what I want in it, and I wasn't originally planning to diffuse, but it was just so wet, and I'm really not used to my hair being that wet. I usually leave it up in its hair wrap or hair towel for a lot longer, so I really didn't want to sit around my house with my hair dripping wet, so I decided to just diffuse it a little bit. And a lot of the videos that I watched stated that it's a lot better to just plop the hair on it and diffuse in one go. It helps with frizz apparently. To me, it seems extremely damaging to your hair because all of the heat is in one spot. But I did not blow dry it all the way, as you can see, so I don't know. And I actually think I forgot to apply my heat protectant this day, so oops, that's really not good. I also have a Briogeo heat protectant cream that is anti-frizz, which actually would be really great for this wavy hair situation, but shame on you, Courtney, for not using that. Okay, so that is pretty much the original process. Here's what we have going on. A bunch of weird, slightly uneven waves, and terrible lighting, so sorry about that, but that's how it's looking. And I'm just really quickly showing you that I finished this whole hair washing process at 7:30ish. Okay, hey, so it is now, focus, almost 9. Sorry if you can hear the dog. So it's been, I guess, an hour and a half. My hair is very crunchy. I might have put too much of this gel, this Curlsmith gel, but this is my first time, so I'm now gonna scrunch out the gel cast. My hair is mostly dry. I think it's a little bit damp here at the roots and back here, but I'm gonna, I've watched videos and I've read the package and I'm still confused. When fully dry, scrunch again to break the cast. Okay, that's what I thought, and that's what I've seen. Just gonna scrunch and break the gel cast, I guess. I did a lot of the pulsing scrunchies, like people say to do. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out. I washed my hair, I guess 3-4 days ago before, and I tried to just let it air dry naturally, and I didn't brush it or anything because I'm trying to see if I actually do have curly or wavy. I know not curly, but see if I have wavy hair. But yeah. Got my elbow caught in it. Okay. And I do have kind of wavy hair. If I brush it after I shower and then again a little bit while after it's drying, it is mostly straight. I mean, it has a bend to it, but this piece is weird. Honestly, I probably put too much product in it, but it's still a little damp. These pieces in the front here are pretty straight. I hope the lighting's okay. I know it's not that good, but these pieces in the front are pretty straight. I think I've blow dried them straight a lot because I do have like a cowlick here and I try to blow dry just my bangs usually. Here's what it looks like from the back. I don't know what it looks like, so I'll see when I edit, but okay. I mean, I don't hate it. It's definitely wavy. The root doesn't have a lot of waviness to it. I'll watch some more videos to see how people get more weight at the root. And I know I have really long hair, but I recently gave myself, and my friend helped me, a shag haircut. We followed Brad Mondo's video and a bunch of TikToks of people cutting their hair. So I have a lot more layers than I used to. So it's still really long, but it has, I would show you, but the curls are all together. It has these shorter layers here in the front and all around. So I thought that might help. I might come back later and follow up again with my makeup on and stuff, but so far so good. It looks a little bit better than it did the other day, but I don't know. I mean, this piece is completely straight. That did nothing. Hey, so it's 9:49. It has been another hour now, and okay, my hair looks a lot better than I was thinking it did. Pretty curly. I really like it. I think aside from this obnoxiously straight piece right here, it's looking pretty good. It is a little crunchy. I put definitely too much product in it, but I'm learning. I did show you how much product I use, so that'll be a good reference. But yeah. I've got a mirror right here, so I think it looks good. Like I said, aside from this really, really straight piece, but I could kind of like tuck it around. So yeah, that has been my first attempt in a while with wavy hair. So I'm gonna keep experimenting, figure out what I like, but we shall see. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I think it's about 1 or 2 now in the 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Open this blind. There you go. You can see a little bit better. I think it looks pretty good for my first attempt. I think it's a little too weighed down with product, but I guess I might have wavy hair. Who knows? Oh, the mirror's moving because it's one of these like upright mirrors. Anyway. I think it looks good. I will probably continue trying, but we'll see how it goes.